Good evening. We are BioNet, and we are developing an edible biopolymer to coat hay, straw, and silage. This will replace the problematic plastic wrapping that is currently used in farms. This is Edward. We came across Edward on our market research trail. Every time Edward feeds a bale to his animals, he has to manually remove 10 meters of plastic from that bale. It's a difficult job, and it costs Edward valuable time, energy, and effort, especially at key periods of the year, such as lambing and calving. Residual plastic gets left behind, and this gets caught in animals' hooves and horns. Edward even recounts an example of where an animal has died through plastic ingestion. Across the UK, 150 million square meters of plastic accumulates on farms each year. It serves no purpose. It either goes straight to landfill or it is disposed of illegally via burning. But I just want to take a step back for a second and actually quote Edward. Removing the plastic is the most annoying job on the farm, and BioNet have a solution to Edward's problem and for farmers across the world. So our solution is an edible biopolymer, cross-linked with essential minerals to support healthy milk and meat production. The animals can eat this directly, which means the farmer no longer has to worry about removing waste plastic from his bales. At present, we've got a proof of concept prototype, and we got in touch with Edward and we said, can we try it out? Can we see if your animals like it? And here's a short video showing you what happened. Nick, it's now your turn to eat a bit.
I will eat it now.
So our product has proven nutritional content. It is safer for the animals, it reduces waste on farms, and it saves the farmer time, which equals labour. And also, with the additive probiotics and antibacterial properties of the biopolymer, it will reduce methane emissions from cattle. So the problem of plastic bale netting is widely discussed on farming forums all over the world. And here are some examples of some farmer disgruntlement. We've conducted our own market research, and farmers liked our idea. Our solution addresses a real, everyday agricultural problem. And just yesterday, this article came out in the Farmers Weekly about us. It's been the highest trending article on Facebook and Twitter in the last 24 hours. And here are some of the Facebook comments. You can see our solution is something that farmers actually want. So the unit economics are simple. We can sell our BioNet biopolymer at the same price as our plastic competitors and make a profit. So take a small farm of 100 cows. Industry statistics state that on average, a farmer will spend 1,080 hours per year removing the plastic from his bales. That is an enormous amount of time, energy, and effort that is just wasted. So this is our timeline. We are currently tailoring our biopolymer to meet a range of applications. We're also looking for VC investment as we want to take our biopolymer and be able to mass-scale produce it. So the global bale production stats are enormous. In the UK, 30 million bales are processed each year. Globally, that figure is 8 billion bales. They are a feedstock for 800 million sheep and cattle across the world. This is the team. We are reading PhDs at Imperial College. We all hold first-class degrees with commendation for academic achievement. Nick already has 4 publications, 6 months into his PhD, and is our expert in materials processing. Stelios is our polymer chemist, and I bring biology expertise into the team. I've also lived, grown up, and worked on a Leicestershire cattle farm, and that's where the initial inspiration for the idea came from, through first-hand experience of actually removing the plastic from the bales. But our vision is even bigger. So an edible biopolymer has the potential to emerge into a wide range of markets, from space exploration to pot plants, from compost to military uses. We want to take our BioNet all over the world. And we've got a few of our products on display afterwards. We'd love you to come and have a look at them. So BioNet is an edible biopolymer. It is a product for sustainable farming and a product for a sustainable future. Thank you for listening.